Welcome to this Math GPT lesson. Today, we will learn how to find equivalent fractions for the fraction 7/12. Finding equivalent fractions is a useful skill in mathematics, especially when simplifying ratios or solving equations. We can create equivalent fractions by either multiplying or dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero number. First, let's visualize the fraction 7/12. This fraction represents dividing one whole into 12 parts and selecting 7 of those parts. Let's start with multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the same number to find an equivalent fraction. For example, if we multiply both by 2, the fraction 7/12 becomes 14/24. Let's visualize this fraction. 14/24 also represent dividing a whole into 24 parts and choosing 14 of those parts. Now, let's find an equivalent fraction using the dividing method. If we divide both the numerator and the denominator of 14/24 by 2, the fraction becomes 7/12, which is just our original fraction. Notice that dividing 14 by 2 and 24 by 2 takes us back to our original fraction 7/12. By multiplying or dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero number, we create equivalent fractions that represent the same part of a whole. So remember, equivalent fractions like 7/12, 14/24, or even more represent the same quantity, just like different ways of writing a number using fractions.